Hi, Gods DCG here, and it's been 5 days since I posted my first ever video sa account na to. And on this video, I'm gonna showcase all my cards. I also brought turn a binder for the cards, guys. Let's check this out. So sa first page, may common cards tayo sa One Piece. Kaya mga common and common. Blue lock cards, no value, hindi siya official. And by team yung pag-arrange ko dito. That's why blue, red, white, yun. May rarity din to siya guys. R, SR, SSR, UR, SSP, and SSR. I have UR1, SSR1, and 4 SRs. Mm-mm. And next, we have Grand Archive TCG. All common cards and pinigay lang to sa akin. And once again, One Piece as our cards, and we have a Dawn card there, and a what do you call this? I don't know what do you call that? A leader. And here, Boa Hancock cards. That I love Boa Hancock. That's why nakaganon siya. More cards, random, and film red team cards. Kailangan pa natin Nami Chopper next time.